my channel, and today I'm going to do a review on another perfume that I bought. It's a Gucci Guilty out of the toilet, and it's comes in this box, and I actually opened it already, and I'm gonna do a review on this perfume today. And comes in this box is this one, the perfume, a Gucci Guilty out of the toilet, and it comes with two samples of perfume and also a card inside. And this little this fancy box that the Gucci included whenever you go by to their website, gucci.com. There there's always gonna be a compliment. They gave you anything, like, or you could choose a lipsticks, a perfume, and anything you could ask for sample. So on this perfume I'm going to do a review, and it looks like it's very simple packaging. It's gold, a gold Gucci Guilty. It's shiny black surface, and inside of the box it's a matte stripe going through them, and it's just nice and simple. And in here I got the perfume. This is 2.5 ml, and it looks like it could be easily get a fingerprint because of its gold shiny surface. So I'm going to show you. Here, this is the Gucci Guilty perfume out of the toilet, and see, it's already has a fingerprint because I already touched on the surface, and has a logo on the top and on both sides. So it's just so fancy and glam, and it's a beautiful bottle, and how golden it is, but she's just the fingerprint is everywhere whenever you touch it. And I love how you can see through the Gucci and how much it's left, because you could see it from here, and the logo also as well. I like it that. And this perfume, this came came out in 2010, and I honestly just keep an eye on this perfume, and I just did not buy it right away because I just don't know. I go to Sephora, and I just go to perfume section, and I just try and test it with dirt tester, and it just smelled good, and now I just decided to buy it. This is not really that expensive perfume that I could have it, but I just don't know. I just did not buy that many years past, so now I have it, so it doesn't matter. And something about the gold, of course, that name Guilty, that seduced me to own it. And on this scent, Gucci Guilty is the Oriental floral that is presented on the market, and it is designed for glamorous, daring, brave, very sexy girls that who like to party, enjoy themselves. And this contains the notes of mandarin, pink pepper, peach, lilac, geranium, amber, and patchouli. So tried it, and see, you just open at the top, and then of course you're gonna try it. Smell good. And that's about it on this perfume. And for the last time, I will show you this, how it looks like. It's right there, and it's so just fancy and glamorous because of this golden shiny surface. And as it's just easily get